Hey y'all, hey. So, one of my followers, her name is Sensational. I will tag her below in this video. But she sent me some goodies. She was like, first off, she loves to smell good. So, we got Glamorous Essence Vanilla Fantasy. I want to see what this smell like. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Y'all, I've been getting into scents like crazy lately. Crazy. This is very cherry. Ooh. 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 Ooh, that's Come Lick Me. That is a Come Lick Me. This is Secrets of a Mistress. And this is a roll-on perfume. It does, I guess that's the name of it. Oh my God. Oh my fucking goodness. Oh, I need to go out on a date. I need to go out on a date, honey. Jesus. Then she sent me, look like she mixed me up some samples. I'm not going to really smell them. They don't have names, but she mixed me up some samples. This looks like another body oil that she mixed up for me. Sensational. Thank you, my girl. She sent me a Marshmallow Fluffy. And this is from Pretty Girl. Ooh, that fucking roll-on smells mad good. Oh my God. I know Sensational smell good. I know she smells good, bruh. Oh my God. Then she sent me a Parfum de Marly. This is from Herbal Organic Oils. Oh my fucking gosh. Jesus. Just a little sample. But god damn. And then Coconut Mango from Creative Scents. Yo. Jesus. Sensational, boo. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. My scents collection is coming together. It really, really is. I appreciate you for thinking about me because you didn't have to. You didn't have to. All right. Bye, boo.